whole world changed one day when all these random cards started raining down everywhere. At first, they seemed harmless enough, so a bunch of us kids invented this cool new game. That's when we realized those cards weren't so harmless after all. They were packed with incredible powers from another world. My name is Dan, and together with my friends Bruno, Marucho, Julie, not to mention Mr. Hotshot himself, Shun, and Alice, we are the Bakugan Battle Brawlers! Bakugan, one goal, 2 worlds.
What are you gonna do? The odds are stacked against you. Back against the wall, gotta give it your all. This is the final stand. The power's in your hand. 2 worlds collide on the inside. You gotta fight for what's right before it's gone, gone, gone. This is Bakugan.
The Bakugan Battle Brawlers in a fish called Tegan.
There, that's it!
Yes, and I can feel the negative energy flowing from its core.
Oh, goody! We're so close!
Well, I don't like this one bit.
Yeah, that's because you're a wuss, Angelo.
Okay, are you ready?
It couldn't be. Is that Destroyer?
I've got you, Julie.
You saved my life, Gorham!
Don't worry, Marucho! I'll save you! Huh? Oh! All clear, guys! I don't detect any negative energy.
Huh? Are you sure?
Well, I guess we should check this place out.
Good idea, Runo.
What a
Talk about
crazy
an out-of-this-world
ride.
adventure.
Yeah, well, at least I think it's safe.
For your sake.
Wait, is this really Destroyer?
No, it's never been an Aquas-attributed dimension.
Indeed. And I do sense a strong Aquos presence.
Yes, and I can sense the power of Ventus.
Well, that would be both water and wind.
I believe this may be a new dimension where those elements have mixed together to form one.
Huh? You serious?
Nevermore, Daniel. Vestroia was originally a world unto itself, where the 6 attributed dimensions coexisted in balance. But now Naga has seen fit to disrupt that balance. One explanation may be that new worlds have formed, created from the overlapping of the original dimensions.
Wow! We're in a whole new world!
Okay, let me get this straight, Drago. Does that mean we have to travel through different worlds just to get to Naga?
I believe so.
Aw, man! All this thinking is giving me a giant headache.
Hey, there is no point getting frustrated, Dan. I say we should just keep going. She's right. We're on a mission. Right?
Are you all right?
Yeah, that looked Major League nasty.
Oh, wow. That was a smooth move, Dan.
Hey, it's not my fault.
Take a look at this!
Huh?
Whoa! Check out the Bakusicles.
Those Bakugan have water and wind attributes.
But who did this?
I'll bet you Naga's behind it and we've got to stop him.
Hang on! Do you know which way to go?
Gee, I never thought about that.
Let's see. The center of Vestroia was a restricted area where even we Bakugan were not allowed to set foot.
But that was when the balanced power of all 6 attributes were protecting the core. I believe that has all changed, and it would appear Naga did it with the help of Hal G's power.
Hang on. You're saying the power protecting the core has been disrupted?
Yes, and that may be a good thing, because it just might allow us to enter the core. But for now, we should see if we can find the entrance to the next world. Unless we do, our whole mission could be in jeopardy.
Right. We must begin with baby steps.
Oh, yeah, but how are we supposed to find the next entrance?
Allow me to direct you. I'm picking up a faint signal.
But from where, Gorham?
That way.
Oh, how beautiful! I didn't know there were auroras in Vestroia. And they exist because of one thing. Auroras are powered by a magnetic field.
Are you sure?
I get it. It might be that magnetic field could be having an effect on all dimensions in Vestroia.
Of course!
Yes! Okay, let's check it out, guys.
10 up! Move out.
Hey, look, up there.
It appears to be a wormhole.
Yes, and that's where the signal is coming from.
I may be guessing, but you think that could be the entrance to the center of Vestroia?
Yes, but we better hurry. Once the aurora disappears, so too will the entrance of the next dimension.
Oh no! We gotta get moving pronto, you guys! It's closing! Come on! Huh? What? Is that some kind of mirage?
You must help me, please. Do not leave me here all alone. Let's be careful, guys.
Who are you? And what are you doing way out here?
I swam.
You swam? Is this some kind of joke?
Come on! Quit wasting our time with your smart mouth, kid!
I'm a water-attributed Bakugan. See? What do you think? I am taken. I understand your journey has been a long one. Why not stay here and rest a while?
We are the gatekeepers of this world, and we have a job to do. And that's to protect our leader, Naga.
Naga!
You're gatekeepers? You must be Aquas and Ventus. And I get the funny feeling you two are expecting us to come.
Forget them! They're not so tough. Come on, kids. We're wasting time.
If you insist on continuing, then you must first defeat us in a battle. Let's go! Air attack!
What are you doing, you fool?
Dragon!
Stay out of this! Blow away!
Where did he get such power?
Now it's my turn. Aqua Cyclone!
No! Hi, Marucho! Bruno!
Prius! Now! Do it now!
That's a big 10-4, good buddy! Aqua's bubble!
Thanks, you guys.
Boy, are you guys ever out of shape?
Thanks, Prius.
The signal from the inner core is starting to fade.
That means we gotta step on it, or we'll be stuck in this dimension forever.
But there's no time.
Marucho, do you think you and Preyas could find a way to lure Tegan underwater?
Do you have some kind of plan?
Yes, and Skyrus, you and me will lure that other overgrown freak onto shore.
The one they call Harity?
Wait a minute. I think I'm starting to get it. That's it! One is Aquas and the other is Ventus. We tricked them out of their elements.
You're right! That gives us the advantage! What's a heavenly plan? Simply heavenly, Shun.
With them battling outside of their element, this should be a snap.
Okay, Skyrus, time to get this show on the road. You know what to do.
It shall be done!
Gate car! Set!
Now it's my turn!
Ah! My
As it is written, let's get this little party started.
Now!
Banzai! Hey kids, more Bakugan battle brawlers after these messages.
The battle continues on the Bakugan Battle Brawlers.
Think you're pretty tough, huh? Well, there's a new sheriff in town.
Bring it, Reyes!
With pleasure!
Gate card open! Triple battle! Huh? What's this? I can't move forward! Okay, Angelo, time to morph!
Gotcha! Aqua Sprayus! Diablo descends! Oh, this is gonna be so much fun! Thanks, kid. I promise I won't let you down. Okay, let's give these grunts a taste of the Preyus combination attack! Huh? Attribute change! Darkness!
I'm all tingly.
Ha! Feast your eyes! Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's only me, Preyus the Magnificent.
Ability, activate! Diagonal relation between Pyrus and Darkest!
I can feel the power surge! Huh?
Excellent! 2 birds with 1 stone! Ability activate! Water refrain! Hey, Tegan, that move just nullified your ability! Oh no, I can't attack!
Incoming!
What now? Are you giving up, Skyrus?
Now, Shun!
Gate card open! Energy merge!
Huh? What's wrong? I'm losing my power! Why, you little... You can't do this!
I just transferred all your power to Skyrus. I would try to explain it to you, Harity, but I'm running out of time.
Now to finish what we started.
Sweet! We did it!
And that's a wrap, folks!
And I didn't even break a nail. Okay, kids, it's time to blow this popsicle stand. Huh?
Wow! I can't believe we pulled that off, you guys!
Well, it was all thanks to you, Shun, and your amazing little plan. That was incredible! The old switcheroo, and I fell for it!
Oh.
But if you think I'm washed up, you're sadly mistaken!
Ah!
But I thought she was... Blow away!
No way! She's using a wind attribute!
But Shun, I didn't even think that a Bakugan could do that! Aqua Spouted!
Back to water! Hang on. I think I get it. This must be a world where water and wind have come together. So both Bakugan can use either attribute whenever they want.
Are you sure? I always thought that was impossible.
Oh no! Marucho!
Guys, we have to finish him off or we'll be stuck here forever!
A wind-attributed Bakugan can't beat us underwater. Totally impossible.
The impossible just became possible! Dive barrage!
Oh, crud! He's a Ventus Bakugan! He can't do that!
Oh, we're done for! Yeah, and it ain't gonna be pretty.
Well, nice to see you again, boys! Freezing waves!
Whoa! Intense!
Ugh, what attribute is he using now?
Now look! The water's turning to ice!
Marucho!
He's freezing us in! How is he doing that?
We're doomed! Marucho! Come on, guys! We've got to do something and fast!
Marucho! Marucho!
So that was your brilliant little plan, humans? Sorry, but you're no match for the likes of us!
Yes, this whole battle has been nothing more than child's play. Oh, and one more thing. Who wants to be our next victim?
Why, you cretin!
Fool! Aqua Spouted!
Aquas and Ventus together? It doesn't make sense. Wind and water are two totally different abilities, and a Bakugan can only have one!
Man, this is my fault. I should have come up with a better plan.
The signal from Vestroya's core is fading.
Dan! We have to hurry or we'll all be trapped here!
We can't! Not without Marucho! We have to save him before we leave!
Ability activate. Blow away!
What in the world is happening? Freaky!
Huh?
Hey! What do you think you're doing, Shun?
I've got to finish this, Dan. You three make a break for it.
No, Shun, that's just crazy! We battle as a team, remember? Shun! Shun!
He must feel responsible for Marucho and the others being trapped.
What now, Dan?
We leave!
Huh?
At this point, we don't have time to turn around. We have to trust Shun at his word. We gotta believe he can get Marucho and his Bakugan out of there safely.
But Dan, that's crazy!
Come on!
Let's get this over with, pagan.
What do you think, Parody? Is this human worthy to battle us?
Well, he probably isn't, but why not? I've got nothing else in my schedule this afternoon. Besides, I haven't had a good laugh in a few decades.
No, the joke will be on you, pal. Ha!
What an entertaining little man.
Enough chit-chat. If he wants a fight, then he'll get a fight.
Skyrus, counterattack. Now, Descartes, set. Forceman win.
Huh? What happened?
I can't move.
Let me explain it to you. My Forceman ability allows Skyrus to nab your Ventus attributed power. And because you can switch attributes, I can just as easily steal them.
Thanks, Shun. I'm powered up and ready for battle!
Playtime is over, Skyrus.
You're dreaming if you think you can defeat both of us.
Ha! Just wait and see.
For what?
Skyrus, here's the plan. Scan the ice, find the weak spot.
I'm on it. That's it.
I've had all I can take.
Storm Stinger!
Whoa, what happened? I thought we were goners back there.
Hey, Marucho! You okay?
I'm good.
Oh, please! Quit pretending you're some kind of hero.
For your info, the Brawlers fight as a team. So, you ready, Marucho?
Yeah. Hey, Diablo, if we're going to battle, I need Angelo.
Ah, man! I was looking forward to a fight! Aquos Angelo reporting. Here to serve and protect. Tell me what to do, Master, and your wish is my command.
Diagonal relation between Ventus and Chaos. Engage now. Now Skyrus and Angelo's powers are jacked up to the limit.
Oh goodness.
I can feel the surge!
Let's do this, Skyrus! So, are you ready for battle, guys?
Oh, yeah, I'm in. And I'd like to start with my wind and light friendship attack.
Marucho, phase 2!
Right. Reyes, you're the next one up.
I thought you'd never ask, kid. Attribute change. Darkus. Am I cool or am I cool? Ta-da! I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. Make sure you get my good side.
Diablo, you're up.
Wow, all right. But what's with all the changes, Marucho? I'm not sure if I'm coming or going.
Diagonal relation between Pyrus and Darkness activate. Reyes and Diablo, power boost.
Shall we, Diablo? You know me. I'm always ready.
Where did that come from?
Incredible!
Shun, your turn.
You got it! Gust of wind blow! Destruction meteor storm!
was fun. Can we go on again?
Yeah, Ma. One more time, please.
Thanks, Shun.
No sweat.
All right.
So, you ready to go?
Yeah, you bet, Shun. Ugh, I can't believe we lost to humans!
Don't worry, this fight isn't over.
This is Bruno, and on the next episode of the Bakugan Battle Brawlers, Dan, Julie, and I end up in another strange world. It's like this real bizarro place filled with weird stalactites and psychedelic lights. And just like the last episode, we have to battle a couple of creepy Bakugan before they let us leave their world and continue on our quest to find Naga. I'm rooting for Dan and Drago. Hope you are too. So join me and the gang on the next episode of the Bakugan Battle Brawlers. Bakugan Brawl!